The winner for Best Sound goes to Ditoy Aguila for Ballet. And this year's Panos Award for Best Editing goes to
winner for Best Editing, Danilo Alegrevo for Baler.
Maraming salamat po sa bumubuo ng PAMAS. Isang malaking karangalan po na mapagkalooban mo ng prestigyosong award na ito.
for PAMAS Best Cinematography is Lee Meili of Baler.
Dalawang movie queen na nakilala sa kanilang ipinamalas na profesionalismo, dedikasyon, at pagmamahal sa kanilang profesyon bilang mga alagad ng film sa mahigit na 5 dekada.
Kaya naman nararapat lamang na bigyang buhay natin sila. Hindi lamang bilang mga artista, kung hindi bilang mga Pilipino. Because they are living proof that Filipinos are indeed top-notch and world-class as artists.
And to present the huwalang bituin ng PAMAS is Mr. Herman Moreno, and for this year's Lifetime Achievement Award is Ms. Marisa Del Mar.
Good evening. When Donna Season first saw her, she knew that she had a movie star in her hand. She was the epitome of a movie star. Beautiful, talented, with a twin presence that to the nerves was very much a happy person. The most beautiful face during her time. The one and only, a woman of substance. Let's welcome Miss Delia Razon.
Maraming salamat po sa pagbigay nito sa akin. It's been so many years. And I just want to say, madamo, bigyan salamat sa paghatag din sa akin. And I want to offer this to my mom, my part of mother and father, and also to my beloved Doña Lucita Buen Camino de Leon, who made me Delia Razon. And that was so many years ago. And I've never forgotten her. It's always in my prayers. And also to my, I just want you to know that my crown jewels are here tonight, my children, and my grandchildren. They're up there. They refuse to come down, baka daw tawagin sila, mga duwang. I have here one of my granddaughters, Carla Villana, now appearing also in the second course, as you know, as Rosalinda. And thank you for this. I don't know if I deserve it, but I still want it. Thank you so much.
Siya po ay nanggaling sa bakuran ng Santa Rita Pictures. Minamahal namin mga kaibigan at nagmamahal sa industriya. Para nga po bilang unwarang artista, Miss Gloria Romero.
And I would like to thank Vera Ferris ng Napagita Pictures dahil sila po ang nag-build up sa akin, utang ko sa kanila lahat ng aking tagumpay at blessings na dumarating sa buhay ko. And to my family na lagi nandiyan para sa akin, to my daughter, Esther, and my grandson, Christopher. Again, Thomas, mabuhay po kayo. Maraming salamat. Kanya
Mr. Carlo Caparas Jr., and film producer, actress, Ms. Donna Vina. We would like to thank the FAMA not only for this very prestigious award, but for giving this industry inspiration all through the years.
Ibang-iba sa pagkasahanay ng pelikula, napili ka at ang pumili sa iyo ay mga taga-industriya ng pelikula. Lahat matangiti, lahat pumapalakpak. Lahat magagandang babae at magagandang lalaki. Eski magmali kayo, walang magagalit dahil sa makikita ang ayos nyo. Maraming salamat sa FAMAS, pang-anim na po na award na binigay sa akin ng FAMAS at awa ng Diyos, yung anim na yun po, walang protesta kahit isa.
For his efforts to abolish taxes levied in local movies, shown in his territorial jurisdiction through the ordinance 0% amusement tax, and his continued support of the Movie and Welfare Foundation, MOWA Fund, a citation is given to
Councilor Ariel Enrile Jr.
Malaking bahagi po ng kalamalan na ito ay lahat po ng mga public officials sa Luzon ng Quezon na naniniwala po na dapat tulungan ng film industry, local film industry. At bahagi po nito ay hindi lang po yun pag 0% ng taxes, pagtulong sa MOWA Fund, kundi iba pa po namin po mga ordinansa katulad po ng anti-piracy. So, sa FAMAS po, maraming salamat. Mabuhay po.
Lahat ng sumuporta sa recognition ng ito, thank you so much. It will give us inspiration to continue our efforts to promote Filipino film, the very best,